Hey, Felix here with 4x4 Agent, and I wanted to show you the new thing that I got today. It's by a brand of To Enjoy, and it's a little accessory that I got off Amazon. I'll post a link down below, but I'll show you what it does. I think it's really cool. So if you need to get up there, a lot of people put hinge steps on their Jeeps, but what this does, it latches in to your door like that, and then get out of the way so you can see, just like that, and then you can step right on that. Comes right off, and you can use it on the back too, although I do have some concerns on the back because, let me just bring this over so you can see better. So there's no solid metal here like there is in the front, and so I'm not sure how stable that would be, but that's the downside.